Now, the reason number two of why your website might not be ranked on the first page of search engines is because it's not indexed by the search engines. So here's a quick video on showing you how to determine if your website really is indexed by the top 3 search engines. In order for your website to show up on the first page of search results, the search engines have to know it exists. Therefore, the website has to be submitted to the search engines for indexing. To determine if your website is indexed on the major search engines, type site: your website name in the search fields. So let me show you a live example from one of my clients, BA's Barbershop. Okay, all you have to do is type in site: and the name of the website. As you can see, there are results. So that means that this website, BA's Barbershop, is indexed. So now let's check Yahoo. Do the same thing in Yahoo. Oops, look like there's a misspelling here. They put it the computer put a space in, and not supposed to be a space there. See, once again, there's the results, so that means this website is indexed on Yahoo. So now let's check Bing. And once again, there are results here on Bing as well. So that means this website, bizbarbershop.com, is indexed on all 3 search engines: Yahoo, Google, and Bing. Now let's see what happens if you don't have a website that's actually indexed on the search engine. So I have a website that I did create a while ago that I did not push to Yahoo and Bing. So it's dentalmarketingfordentists.com. As you can see right there, there's no results for this site. So let's check Yahoo. You can see there's no results. So let's check Google, because I did put it to Google. So let's just make sure. So Google. Good. Now see here for Google, it does have search results. So that means it is indexed by Google. Now, to submit your website to the 3 search engines, Google, Yahoo, and Bing, you have to do it through their webmaster tool. For Google, visit google.com/webmasters/tools. For Bing and Yahoo, visit bing.com/toolbox/submit-site-URL. Now let me show you live how to submit to Bing and Yahoo using my Dental Marketing for Dentists website. Okay, here's the Dental Marketing for Dentists website that I created a while ago. It was a limited time offer, why I didn't promote it to Yahoo and Bing. But let's do it now. So let's go to Bing and Yahoo website. Here you go. To Webmaster Tool to promote it. So all you guys gotta do is type in the URL. And then type in this capture here. Hit this submit button. Oop, I had the wrong capture here. It's probably the hardest part of this process. Alright, great. Your request was successfully submitted. And that's all you have to do. It's that simple. Now, Google is just as easy. Just follow the instructions after you click the green button. So once again, I recommend you check to see if your website is indexed. And if not, then submit it to the search engines.